Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel AI for Beginners. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add threads to collection in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now for instance, I'm simply gonna search for something and create a new thread. And as you can see, a new thread is being generated. I'm gonna wait for some time. As you can see, the thread has been generated. Now it's quite easy to add this thread to a collection. Well guys, what you can do is simply click on the collection button at the very top. It's gonna drag you to a place like this. In case you don't find this, click on these three dots that is right next to share. Click on it. And from here, all you guys need to do is click on add to collection. Click on it right now. And from here, the same thing will open up. Simply enter all of the details from title, emojis, descriptions and everything. I'm gonna fill out all of them. Once you have done that, all you need to do is hit on create, that is on the bottom right. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the thread has been added to the collection. This is it guys, this is how we add a thread to collection. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.